Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here in this left section we have to scroll in order to find security and privacy. Now let's go to the biometrics, let's tap on it and pick the fingerprints. Now we've got some information about the fingerprints, so just read it and then tap on continue. And here we've got the very first step of adding the fingerprint if you do not have the screen lock. If you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you have to set it right now. So the pattern PIN or password, it is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So let's simply tap on next. Let's pick the option you prefer. Let me pick the pattern. So let's draw it, tap on continue, redraw it and confirm. Of course, you have to remember this pattern. And right here we've got the information, the animation, which will show us what we have to do. So basically place the finger on the sensor. The sensor is located on the power button. In this configuration of the device, it's at the top, right here. So basically all we have to do is to put our finger on it and do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. And of course, as it was said, change the position of your finger to add all of the areas, of course, for better recognition. Alright, we've got it, so if you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. If you want to turn on the remote unlock, just tap on turn on. Let me go back. So here we've got the fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to. Let me go back because I don't want to do it actually. We can add the fingerprint. We can check added fingerprint. So basically, if you've got more than one fingerprint added, you can simply tap on it and your device will show you which fingerprint you're currently putting on the sensor, which is quite a cool option. So you can check the fingerprints which you're not sure about. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, up to you basically. So let me lock the device and let me check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.